Taxation and Public Finance in India. Question 1. Identify the correct statements about minimum alternate tax, MAT 1. MAT is a direct tax imposed on the zero tax companies. 2. It is applicable on all companies except those engaged in infrastructure and power sectors, free trade zones, charitable activities, venture and angel funds. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 2. Which of the following statements are correct about tax expenditure? 1. Tax expenditure are direct spendings by the government to achieve certain social goals. 2. The tax expenditure budget comprises the estimated revenue losses attributable to various exclusions, exemptions, deductions, non-refundable credits, deferrals, and preferential rates in the tax code. 3. Provisions of the tax expenditure budget reduce the income tax liabilities of individuals or businesses that undertake certain types of activities. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 3. What is correct about grandfathering clauses in tax-related acts? A. It is a provision in which an old rule continues to apply to some existing situations while a new rule will apply to all future cases. B. It is a provision in which new rules are applied on tax obligations from the date of passing of such an act for future tax liabilities. C. It is a provision in which tax laws are applied in a retrospective manner. D. It is a provision where the government announces a tax holiday on particular items to counter inflation. Question 4. Which of the following falls under non-tax revenue receipts? 1. Currency printing. 2. Profits and dividends from public sector undertakings, PSUs. 3. Fines received by the government. 4. Grants given to states. 5. Loans received by the government. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 1, 2, 4 and 5 only. C. 2, 3 and 5 only. D. 3, 4 and 5 only. Question 5. Which of the following are the characteristics of revenue expenditure? 1. They are of consumptive kind and do not involve creation of productive assets. 2. This includes all the repayment liabilities of the government. 3. Revenue expenditure used in running a government. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 6. Which of the following statements about primary deficit are incorrect? 1. Interest liabilities when added to the fiscal deficit makes it the primary deficit. 2. The decreasing trends in primary deficit indicates government's decreasing dependence on borrowings. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 7. Which of the following statements about Financial Stability and Development Council are correct? 1. The Finance Secretary is the chairman of the FSDC. 2. It is an autonomous body dealing with macroprudential and financial regularities in the entire financial sector of India. 3. Promoting financial literacy and ensuring financial inclusion are the functions of FSDC. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 8. Which of the following statements regarding the Reserve Bank of India are correct? 1. The concept of Reserve Bank of India was based on the strategies formulated by Dr. Ambedkar in his book named The Problem of the Rupee, Its Origin and Its Solution. 2. RBI regulates the credit and currency system in India. 3. RBI manages the forex reserves of India. 4. The Reserve Bank of India is responsible for providing the public with a sufficient supply of currency notes and coins. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 3 and 4 only. D. All of the above. Question 9. Consider the following statements about Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, Bit 1. It is the nodal agency for implementing policies related to intellectual property rights. 2. Bit looks into formulating, promoting, and facilitating policies of foreign direct investment, FDI. 3. Promoting internal and external trade is one of the important functions of BIT. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 10. Which of the following statements about National Housing Bank, NHB, are correct? 1. It is responsible for registering housing finance companies. 2. The NHB ensures that all the housing finance companies under the Act follow the regulatory capital required as outlined in Basel Guidelines. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 2 both. D. None of the above. Question 11. With reference to rural financing in India, which of the following statements are correct? 1. Rural Infrastructure Development Fund, RIDF, is maintained by NABARD. 2. The Kisan Credit Card, KCC, scheme was designed by NABARD in association with the RBI. 3. NABARD provides recommendations to Reserve Bank of India on issue of licenses to cooperative banks. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above.